everyone. Now I going from the Clark Center to Clark International Airport. Now 7 p.m. Here take a look. It's good looking Royce Hotel and Casino. I will pick up Georgi and we're going to Walking Street, and you can see in the new video from Walking Street video, because I will separate this video Walking Street and different video. So many cars today. Family day in the Philippines, Sunday. Georgi already here. Georgi? Yes, Georgi speak Russian.
Because I didn't know you already make video.
Yes, you say hi only and
yes.
we will go. 10 days in Russia. Okay, we will go. We let a talk, can eat and talk in Kokomas restaurant.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hi everyone, now I already sent Georgi to apartment. His apartment the same. Now he take shower and we going to Walking Street and eat in Kokomas restaurant. So I waiting him now. In another video I will show Walking Street and how we going to eat in Kokomas restaurant. And this video is already finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Who like, please like. Who don't like, don't like. Thank you.